That is at least a good development. It's a little bit delayed, pero mas mabuti na yan kasi at least nasisimulan na yung ating pagbigay ng katarungan sa pamilya ng mga pinatay na staff ng 44. So, better late than never. And I'm happy that we have finally begun the process to bring justice to not only the families of the sub 44 but to the entire police organization.
Sir, magbayad ng kaso ito, paano makaka-affect nyo sa peace process at sa BBI?
Baka naman hindi dahil hindi naman yung magiging krimen hindi unless madidepensa nila na political crime, pero palagay ko hindi naman siguro dahil maraming ebidensya na talagang murder ang kanilang kaso sa kanila. So it should be outside of the peace process unless one of the parties chooses to include it as part of the peace process. So, pero palagay ko hindi. In my view, no. It should not affect the
Sir, politics for you coming close to a decision for the BBB, I said that you and Senator Lassen are one of the
Yeah, well, of course, we have to come close to a decision. We don't have much of a choice with the timetable being what it is. So yes, not at this point. We have to really examine in great detail all of the different options that are available. And I am particularly in the recent days in close consultation with the party because the Nationalist Party also needs to come to a decision.
So sir, you confirm na meron kayong talks para maging VP kayo kay BBB?
Well, marami nang lumapit sa akin ng mga intermediaries, I suppose you can call them that, na sumama. But again, that is something that will be decided not only by me but by the party as well.
Pero hindi pa kayo nag-usap ng personal, sir, ni VP Binay?
By phone, pero hindi kami nag-meet na personal so
sir,
far.
Sa ngayon, sir, ano ba yung kinoconsider na vice presidency na lang or even the presidency?
Again, I remain in the same situation as before. I'd like to keep my options open. But yes, limited to either the presidency or the vice presidency.
Sir, what stage po when you talk to BBB over the phone?
Tagal na actually, it's been a while. And it wasn't about the elections. Okay?
Sir, sino mo re-election yung natamong yung option?
It's still an option. It's always an option. Hanggat final ko yung COC ko, it's still an option. Yes, all of this, sana nga wala nang choice para madali mag-decision pero maraming choice Kaya we'll be very careful.
Sir, hindi totoo yung within the week the i-announce yung tandem. That's not
Within the week?
yes.
Ay my God, I've been hearing so many dates for announcements kung ano-ano. And I'd like to, please, unless you hear it from me, do not believe. Dahil nangyari na nga na nag-announce ng proclamation, declaration, whatever you want to call it. Pumunta ang tao, tapos wala naman nangyari, nagagalit ngayon sa akin. But that's only that, as I said, nabanggit ko na sa inyo ito noon, na ito na yung mga dirty tricks na ginagawa ng mga people na siguro kinakalaban ako. But whatever it is, sana yung mga tao, huwag kayong maniwala hanggat sa amin ninyo naririnig kung ano man yung mga nagiging schedule, timetable, kung ano man magiging event. And we will be in touch with you directly, hindi kung sino-sino lang mga intermediary, tsaka haka-haka lang. So, but that is what has been happening.
Sir, may personal deadline ka ba or October 16 it could be last day?
That's my personal deadline. It's October 16. Of course. We'll take as much time as we need, but again, that is the imposed deadline. So, if there is a way to finish beforehand, indeed. But again, by the 16th, it will have to be settled.
Sir, formidable tandem daw yung Binay Marcos, sabi niya sa Andrew.
Nga ba? I'm glad for him that he thinks so. That's another thing that I will include in the considerations on the decision.
Sir, yung...
Unifying bill, sir.
Ah, BBM.
Unifying.
Unifying, I heard that also. So we'll see.
Sir, about BBL, sir, sessions will end a few weeks from now. Matatapos po ba yung period of interpolation?
I think so. I think matatapos namin yung period of interpolation before winter.
Mga ilan pa po, sir, yung nakaschedule?
Marami pa pero palagay ko matatapos na. I'm sure because many of the senators that have decided na mag-interpolate, kung hindi mag-interpolate, ibibigay na lang susulat na lang yung interpolation, sasagutin ko na lang, tapos kung meron silang proposed amendments, doon, babalikan na lang natin yung babalikan na lang namin yung sa period of amendments. Kung ano man yung gusto nilang isama. If there are other questions, pwede nang isulat para matapos yung interpolation.